Okay, so today we're going to be talking about solving problems using comparison and replacement. So this first problem here, we're going to be talking about pears. This is a pear. These are strawberries. And this, let's call it a kiwi. So we know that one pear, as we can see here, that this is balanced. This is a balanced scale. So we have one pear on one side of the scale, and that's balanced. Well, in other words, this triangle over here can be an equal sign. One pear equals or is balanced to two kiwis. These two right here. So then we can say, okay, that's good. Now we have one almost conversion. So now we look at this to the right. We look at this balance to the right or scale to the right. And we see that this one kiwi right here, one kiwi equals, because this thing right there means it equals, the little triangle, means equals 1, 2, 3, 4 strawberries. I'm just going to write straw because strawberries is kind of long. So now we have two conversion factors here. Knowing this, we can say that two kiwis is equal to 8 strawberries because we said one kiwi is 4 strawberries. So if I have one kiwi, which is 4, and then I'm adding another kiwi, which is also 4, you get 8. So 2 kiwis is 8 strawberries. So knowing that, we can find how many strawberries we're looking for here as our answer. Because we said one pear equals 2 kiwis, so we can replace this with 2 kiwis. I'm going to label them K. This triangle means equal, and we just said it right here, that 2 kiwis equals 8 strawberries. So let's go to the next problem. The next problem is the same sort of thing. We're going to be, except this time we're using kittens or cats. We're going to be using bunnies and chicks. And I think it's pretty self-explanatory which one is which. So remember this triangle is the equal sign. One cat equals 2 rabbits. 3 rabs equals, because the triangle means equal, equals 1, 2, 3, 4 chicks. Here we have 1, 2, 3 cats. 3 cat equals some number of chicks. So to solve however many chicks there are, what we need to do is we need to say that, same thing we did for the last problem. We need to say that one cat, since one cat equals 2 rabbits, we can say that 3 rabbits is 1.5 cats. 3 rabbits equals 1.5 cats because 3 rabbits is 2 plus 1 rabbits, and we said 2 rabbits is 1 cat. So 1 rabbit is half a cat. So 3 rabbits equals 1.5 cat. So knowing this, we can double it. We can multiply both sides or by 2, or in other words, add another one of itself to itself. So 3 plus 3, or 3 times 2, that we get 6 rabbits equals 1.5 cats plus 1.5 cats, which is 3 cats. And when we do that, we know that we have 3 cats right here. So now we know that 3 cats equals 6 rabbits. So this has to be 6 rabbits. But it's not asking for rabbits, it's asking for chicks. So now we have to go to this equation here to convert rabbits to chicks. We said that there are 3 rabbits equals 4 chicks. So to do this problem, what we have to do is we're going to double both sides to get 6 rabbits equals 8 chicks. In other words, our answer is 8 chicks. For this last problem here, we're going to be doing the same sort of thing, except this time we're going to be doing a little bit different. We're not going to be using scales and balances. We're going to have equations here. So with these two equations, we can solve for triangle and we can solve for circle individually and plug them into another equation, or we can do a little trick. So this trick here is called, I believe it's called replacement. No, it's called comparison. And so to compare these two problems, what we're going to do is we're just going to add them together. That's just as simple. Add this to this. And how do we, when we do that, we get two triangles. These two will cancel out because a plus circle minus circle is nothing, is 0. And that equals 13 plus 3, which is 16. So now I can divide both sides by 2. And I'm left with my triangle is equal to 8. And now I go to my original equation here. Or you can do it into this equation here if you would like. But I'm going to use the top one. Triangle plus circle equals 13. We know that our triangle is 8. So you could say 8 plus circle equals 13. Subtract 8 from both sides, and we're left with circle equals 5.